If you need to delete documents in Lucidchart, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, including how to send a document to trash and how to permanently delete it afterward. This is a simple but important workflow, especially if you want to keep your Lucid workspace organized and remove files you no longer need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucid account and head to your homepage where you can see your document list. Once you're there, look through your files and find a document you want to delete. If you have a lot of documents, take a second to make sure you've selected the right one so you don't remove anything important by mistake. Now, hover your cursor over the document thumbnail. As soon as you do that, Lucidchart will reveal a few action icons for that file. In the bottom right corner, click the three-dot menu, which is the More Options button. From the menu that appears, choose Move to Trash, or in some views, you may see Delete. This action does not always remove the file forever right away. In most cases, it first sends the document to the trash folder so you can recover it if you change your mind. Now, if you want to permanently delete the document, the next step is to open the trash folder from the left sidebar of your Lucid dashboard. Inside Trash, you'll see the documents that have already been removed from your main file list. Find the file you want to erase completely, then hover over its thumbnail again. Click the three-dot menu one more time and select Delete from Trash. After that, Lucid will ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete Forever to permanently erase the file from Lucid's servers. Once that's done, the document is gone for good and can't be restored through normal means. So just make sure you're absolutely certain before confirming that final delete. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete documents in Lucidchart, how to move them to trash, and how to permanently remove them when you're ready. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.